Okay, how do I on this? What do we have here? The girls in the building will like this. I actually ordered this for a lady. I don't know if you're a lady out there and you are trying. So this is what you carry all around.
This is it, bro.
The yours is real.
It's real. Realer than heart attack. That's the last one.
Okay.
24 address, right?
Yeah, 24.
Hold on, no, please, you have to sign for me.
Okay.
Well,
So I got the pen to sign on
where is the other one?
everything. Like everything is here.
Okay, good. Sign and write your name here. Sign and write your name here.
Okay. I think I got that. Nice.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, you're welcome. So I'll still be waiting for the rest. You are still maybe somebody else. It might not be you.
How many do you want?
I can't count.
I'm serious.
I can't. Alright.
I don't want to be available, let me just carry it.
I swear. Today now supposed to go out today. Now because of you guys are the wait. So guys, we got our orders. Let's see what we okay, so yeah, the portable rechargeable soldering iron. I remember I ordered this. It's a rechargeable soldering iron. So if you care for this, you can come for it. It's not for free, I beg. It's not free. Then what next? Yeah, for those that are doing DIY, this is a is this switch or socket? Yeah, something like that. So that's all for this. Let's see what let's tear this up. Okay, so we have what's this? Let's see. Okay, people have been asking for this particular product. It's a grinder. Instead of using your normal big grinder like for cutting, for carving and the rest, these are the tools inside. It's actually an electric one and a rechargeable one. So if you do DIY, you know, you are into jewelries, shoemaking, this is good for you. You can place order for this. Let's see what next. So what do we have here? Let's see. I'm using okay. Yeah, this is a sex toy. I was like, I don't know, somebody might need this. So let's see how powerful it is. I was told it is actually very powerful. Let's see how powerful. How do we on this? So what next? They have almost destroyed my package. Another grinder. This is the black one. This is the black grinder. This one is the red one. So anyone you care for, let me know. What do we have here? The girls in the building will like this. I actually ordered this for a lady. I don't know if you're a lady out there and you want to buy this, you can let me know. Then let's see. Okay, how do I on this? I don't know. I don't know if you know how to on this in the comment section. I just want to test how it vibrates and all that. We'll discuss about location. I stay in Lagos, so let me know where you stay. Then we have this. Lastly, we have this. Those that do DIY, inverter setup. This is a sports wedding machine, a sports weather. So if you care for this, you can let me know. We'll talk about your location and it will get delivered to you. Okay, let me know. I don't know how to switch this on. I don't know how it operates, but let me know. And if you care for this as well, you can let me know you can come to my DM. We can talk about this and your location and all that.